Accurate measurements are essential for DIY projects, renovations, and everyday household tasks. Best digital measuring tape for home use delivers precise readings, easy-to-read displays, faster measuring, and improved accuracy, helping homeowners complete projects confidently, efficiently, and with professional-level results every time. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. ACEGMET DTX10 Tape. The ACEGMET DTX10 tape is a premium digital measuring solution designed for users who demand accuracy, versatility, and smart functionality in one tool. Its patented AccuMeasure technology delivers exceptional precision within plus or minus 1/32 inch, making it suitable for detailed home renovation, woodworking, and professional finishing tasks. One of its standout advantages is the dual tape and laser measurement system, allowing seamless switching between close-range tape measurements and long-distance laser measurements up to 330 feet. This flexibility significantly improves workflow efficiency, especially when working in large rooms or outdoor spaces. Beyond basic distance measurement, the DTX10 excels with smart calculation features that automatically compute area, volume, height, and indirect distances, eliminating manual math and reducing errors. Incremental measurement and rear reference support further enhance usability for internal and multi-step measurements. The bright green laser ensures clear alignment, while the full-color display provides excellent visibility in various lighting conditions. Additionally, the Smart Life app integration enables real-time data syncing, sharing, and organization, which is particularly valuable for project documentation. Overall, the ACEGMET DTX10 tape is an advanced, reliable choice for homeowners and professionals seeking precision, innovation, and digital convenience in a single measuring tool.
Number 2. Bosch GLM165 Tape. The Bosch GLM165 tape is a compact and dependable laser measuring tool that delivers professional-grade performance in a pocket-sized design. Despite its small footprint, it offers an impressive measuring range of up to 165 feet with an accuracy of plus or minus 1/16 inch, making it ideal for home improvement, remodeling, and general construction tasks. The real-time measurement mode instantly adjusts readings as the user moves closer or farther from the target, ensuring fast and accurate results without delays. Its backlit display enhances readability in low light or dim environments, allowing users to work confidently in basements, garages, or unfinished spaces. The Bosch GLM165 also supports multiple measuring functions, including distance, square footage, volume, and indirect height measurements, adding versatility for a wide range of projects. Add and subtract functions simplify layout planning, while the built-in memory can store up to 10 previous measurements for quick reference. Designed for durability and ease of use, this laser tape measure fits comfortably into a pocket or tool belt, making it highly portable. For homeowners and DIY enthusiasts who value reliability, simplicity, and accuracy, the Bosch GLM165 tape is a practical and trusted measuring solution.
Number 3. MiLESEEY DT20 Tape. The MiLESEEY DT20 tape is a hybrid digital measuring tool that combines a traditional tape measure with a laser distance meter, offering speed, accuracy, and convenience in one compact device. Its patented power burst digital display technology provides real-time digital readings directly on the screen as the tape is extended, reducing the chance of reading errors and improving efficiency. The built-in Class 2 laser ensures safe and precise long-distance measurements, making it suitable for both small indoor projects and large-scale room or building measurements. Designed with portability in mind, the DT20 features a slim, lightweight body, along with a wrist strap and back clip for easy handling on ladders or scaffolding. It supports dual measurement modes, allowing users to switch between tape and laser measurements seamlessly, and can calculate area and volume using either method. With memory storage for up to 20 values, it helps users keep track of multiple measurements during complex tasks. The impact-absorbing design enhances durability against drops and shocks, making it reliable for regular use. Overall, the MiLESEEY DT20 tape is an efficient and versatile choice for homeowners, designers, and professionals who need accurate digital measurements in various environments.
Number 4. ACPOTEL 16 feet tape. The ACPOTEL 16 feet tape is a practical digital tape measure designed to deliver fast, accurate, and user-friendly measurements for home and professional use. Featuring advanced digital display technology, it provides real-time measurement readings directly on the screen as the tape is extended, helping users avoid manual reading mistakes. Its compact and lightweight construction makes it easy to carry, while the included wrist strap and back clip enhance portability and safety when working on ladders or elevated surfaces. The tape is built with impact-absorbing materials that protect internal components from drops and shocks, ensuring durability over long-term use. With memory storage for up to 20 measurements, users can easily recall previous values without remeasuring, which is especially useful during room layouts or renovation planning. The ACPOTEL tape supports multiple unit conversions, including millimeters, centimeters, meters, feet, inches, and feet inches, making it adaptable for various measurement standards. It also offers area and volume calculation functions, adding convenience for interior design and construction tasks. A reliable tape lock mechanism prevents slipping, maintaining measurement stability. Overall, the ACPOTEL 16 feet tape is a solid choice for users seeking a straightforward, digital-enhanced measuring tool for everyday home projects.
Number 5. LEXIVON 130-foot tape. The LEXIVON 130-foot laser distance measure stands out with its innovative 2-in-1 design, combining a 130-foot laser distance measure with a 16-foot auto-lock traditional tape measure. This dual functionality makes it highly versatile for both short-range and long-distance measurements around the home. The single-button operation ensures quick and effortless laser measurements, while the large LCD screen clearly displays fractional and continuous readings with an accuracy of plus or minus 1/16 of an inch. Designed for comfort and durability, the tape features a high-impact rubberized ABS case that provides a secure grip and protects against wear. The auto-lock tape mechanism allows for smooth one-handed operation, and the dual-sided printed blade with nylon coating improves visibility and longevity. Additional practical features include a true-zero magnetic hook for accurate inside and outside measurements, stud center markings for framing tasks, and automatic power-off to conserve battery life. Supplied with AAA batteries and a screwdriver, it is ready for immediate use. Overall, the LEXIVON 130-foot tape is a dependable and user-friendly measuring tool well-suited for home improvement, DIY projects, and everyday measuring needs.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon